hold your hands like this.
Okay.
Does this feel comfortable? We all said yes. They said, then hold it like this. Does it feel uncomfortable? We said yes, it does. And they said this is exactly what we're trying to break. Humans can be divided into 4 colors:
Okay.
red, blue, orange, gold.
Okay.
Each color has a personality. In fact, me and Anusha were discussing which colors are you and Parth, for example, right?
Achha.
Like for example, I'm a
खाया था उन्होंने ये
नीचे देखो कहाँ लगे, इससे अच्छा जब वो पीजिए
खाते हुए
ऑरेंज। ये 2014 में हम लोग बराक ओबामा जी के लिए लगाए थे जब राष्ट्रपति भवन आए थे। These are क्या?
कौन डाकू मामा
बराक ओबामा।
बराक ओबामा तू देख रहा है
Dr. Mama, Barack Obama.
कोई दिक्कत नहीं है।
सो आज की वीडियो में आप बहुत नेक्स्ट लेवल अर्निंग्स लेने वाले हो. सो वी आर सिटिंग विद अ ब्रांड नेम TIGC. ये इंडिया का वन ऑफ द मोस्ट फास्टेस्ट ग्रोइंग D2C फैशन ब्रांड है. दे हैव बीन डूइंग एक्सेप्शनली वेल इन द पास्ट फ्यू इयर्स और हमारे साथ पिछले 1 साल से काम कर. सो दीज गाइज कंडक्टेड एन इवेंट वर्थ 30 लाख रुपीज रिसेंटली विद अ मैनेजमेंट टीम, जिसने इनकी टीम को इन एंड आउट मैनेजमेंट लेवल पे बहुत हेल्प किया. और हमने इनके साथ बैठ के उस इवेंट को काफी डीपली समझा और बहुत इंटरेस्टिंग चीजें निकल के आई. व्हाट यू गोइंग टू लर्न इन दिस वीडियो इज कैसे एक नए प्रोसेस को अडॉप्ट करने में एक टीम को टाइम लगता है, टीम बिल्डिंग एक्टिविटीज किस तरीके से ऑफिस के अंदर कराई जा सकती हैं, प्लस बहुत इंटरेस्टिंग कलर साइकोलॉजी. हर ऑफिस के अंदर 4 तरह के कलर्स एग्जिस्ट करते हैं और हर मेंबर का एक प्रोमिनेंट कलर होता है. वाई आइडेंटिफिकेशन ऑफ दैट कलर इज इंपॉर्टेंट, कैसे ऑफिस के अंदर वो मैनेजमेंट को बेटर करता है और क्रॉस डिपार्टमेंट फंक्शनैलिटी को बढ़ाता है. एंड ट्रस्ट मी गाइस, बहुत अनफिल्टर्ड वीडियो थी. वी वर माय टीम जस्ट आस्क्ड मी कि आज टुक द कैमरा विद यू एंड द कन्वर्सेशन वेंट सो वेल. वी डिसाइडेड टू मेक अ डेडिकेटेड वीडियो ऑन दिस. सो डू हैव अ लुक एंड लास्ट में कमेंट जरूर करना कि व्हाट इज योर कलर. सो हाउ वाज द पैटर्न, मतलब हाउ वर द डे डिवाइडेड?
So, first 2 days, so we hired facilitators.
Okay.
Right? Their job was to come, speak to Anant, me, Anusha, the larger team, and understand the problems the company is facing. So they did like these, it's in a way it's like a therapy session.
Okay.
It is, it is. I would call it that because people were opening up
Okay.
about problems they are facing in the company, internally, externally, cross-functionally, whatever, right? So they did
Basically,
that.
whatever's broken, you voice it out.
But they asked it in a very diplomatic manner.
And in public or privately?
Private matlab in a conference room with 4 to 5 people.
4 to 5 people, na? Like in a circle only.
In a circle. The idea is, see, their job in general is what they do is they go to these
Figure
large
out.
companies and they help solve problems structurally.
Nice.
For example, even a Google today would have some challenges they're facing, right? That someone at Google will not be able to solve it.
Yeah,
in an external point
outside point of view also, yeah.
So this is their job. They do it with big companies abroad, India,
Wow.
right? They cost also like a decent amount, right? They
Approximate
these two people cost 6 lakhs
for 3 days.
3 days, and then the
Wow.
event cost 30 lakhs.
Before also, no?
Right.
Even the pre-work and the post-work.
They do and it
Of course, they will do the pre and the post
they,
work
do
also.
they designed a program.
Yeah.
So then they made an entire analysis of Indian Garage. Like they quoted like 5-6 problems the company is facing. For example, we have a firefighting problem. People feel they are more rewarded for firefighting a problem rather than being proactive and solving the problem beforehand. So rather than being like, "Arey, how can I solve this problem structurally?" It's almost like they wait for the problem to escalate and then they solve it.
Okay.
Right? So that is like one culture that's been built over there. Second, there's a little bit of SBI bank culture.
Okay.
Where certain departments operate like a SBI bank. You go and give them a task. Like they're like, lunch break, I'm busy, it'll come later, or they move from desk to desk to desk to desk and it gets solved, right?
Yeah.
Then like that, there are multiple problems, right? So they listed a bunch of 4-5 problems. They designed a program, right? And they spoke with us. We said, okay, this is right, and then they launched the program. Then 3-day ka program. Day 1, day 2, day 3. They had designed it in their own fashion. We only said we wanted one thing additional in that, which is we want a presentation.
Achha, the entire 3 days were designed by them?
Yes.
Totally?
End to end.
Okay.
Right? They take full ownership.
Okay.
The only thing they said, any request from your side? We said, yeah, we want to align on a larger vision of a business plan. So we said that we want presentations to be done on the last day. So that was extra from our side. Otherwise, it would not been there.
Okay.
Right?
Okay.
So they said, okay, then we designed a program. Let's say day 1 was very simple. Right? The first activity they made us do is, like they said, hold your hands like this.
Okay.
Does this feel comfortable? We all said yes. They said, then hold it like this. Does it feel uncomfortable? We said yes, it does. And they said, this is exactly what we're trying to break. The idea of being uncomfortable, right?
Okay, this is comfortable.
Like everyone holds a certain way.
But this is uncomfortable. Yeah.
Right? Because
Yeah.
you're used to working like this.
Wow,
But the
interesting.
moment-
Yeah, it is.
right? It feels weird, right? And I said
Yeah.
that is, but if you keep doing this every morning, for 3 minutes, over the next 1 month, even this becomes natural.
Wow.
And that's the entire idea of being uncomfortable, right? Like sometimes you'll feel uncomfortable, but if you practice it enough, that also becomes natural, right? So they had a lot of activities like that. Right? They had a lot of team building games. For example, where they put us in situations, right? And they say, as a team, you have to solve this. Like the most interesting game they had, right? One of the most interesting games, divided a company into 4 teams.
Okay.
Okay? There was a circle. Each team had a rope with balls in it, right? And there were like 4 teams like that, right? The idea is you have to go and pick up ball from another team and come and put it in
Your
circle, right? And whoever has the most
You're
circles,
supposed to defend.
you can't defend. No, you can't come and stop someone taking a ball.
You just go from
Just go and
any circle,
right?
Okay.
And you can't defend anything, right? And there were 3 rounds of doing this, and each time he kept repeating the rules again and again that whoever has the most balls, balls in the circle wins, right?
Okay.
So everyone being a team started fighting with each other, taking the
कि
balls.
मेरा मत लो.
मेरा मत लो. Some people came and kicked the balls. People became like aggressive towards the end, became more and more aggressive, right? Then after each game he makes us sit down. He asks, what did we think of the game? And everyone said they were cheating, this person was cheating, that person was cheating, right? And then he asked a very simple question: what were the rules of the game, right? The rules of the game never said that any one team has to win. All it said was the circle with the most balls wins. Right? So the ideal scenario would have been to do what? To take all the circles, make a larger circle, put all the balls in it.
Yeah.
Because then you'll work as one team.
Yeah.
No one thought of that. Everyone thought of winning in their own in a team, right? And that is exactly, he said, what happens when you work in isolation. Like you work, each team, let's say each department will have its own goal.
पार्स में जा रहा है सुन रहे?
Right? So each team will want to make their team win.
Yeah.
And this was even cross-functional teams. It's not like marketing was one team. Like just
yeah.
and yet people were fighting. So imagine when you have your own team, how much more you'll fight, right?
Yeah.
So this was like people were starting to realize this slowly and slowly, right? Like, oh, so this is what happens at work, right? So let's say marketing team wants to protect marketing team, so they'll work in a fashion. They don't care if design team or design team wants to work on design team. So they're trying to break that barrier down. For example, let's say there's a simulation of different companies, maybe, right? If one company is cheating, then someone will be like, even I have to cheat to win.
Yeah, to win.
Right? And this others losing, what he's trying to make us understand is others losing is not an external company losing.
Yeah.
Others losing is okay for your other team member to lose, for your team to win, right? And on the first day, the most interesting activity that was something called color psychology.
Okay.
There's a very famous psychiatrist who has done a very complex study of some human behavior. So someone went to him and said, I want to write a book to simplify this. And just to put it very simply, he said humans can be divided into 4 colors.
Okay.
Red, blue, orange, gold.
Okay.
Each color has a personality. In fact, me and Anusha were discussing which colors are you and Parth, for example, right?
Achha.
Like for example, I'm a green. Anusha is actually a gold, but she says she's a blue.
I'm a blue.
Okay? I'll tell you each color.
Watch,
Okay? They give by movie examples.
Okay.
Orange. Have you seen Jab We Met?
Yeah.
Kareena Kapoor ka character.
Yeah.
When she's entering the train, she's loud, she's ambitious, cheerful and all that, right? So that's an orange.
Okay.
Orange people are extrovert, extreme. It is extreme, right? But just to give you an understanding, right? So orange people are what? Extroverted, they're ambitious, they're playful, they're energetic. They don't really care about
They're jugadu.
they can get things done, right? They can go and strike up a conversation with anyone, right? They're very jugadu. They're not like ambitious in the sense of business oriented ambitious. They're like, they have dreams in life. They're ambitious in the sense of they want to live larger than life. They want to be free in life. Whether it's money, no money, doesn't matter. They want to be free in life, right? So orange was ambitious. And the reason why I'm saying orange very well is because I was confused between green and orange. So I sat with the person, I asked, because I'm also ambitious that way, right? So then she said green. Now green, have you seen Mangalyaan ka movie?
Yeah, I've seen Mission Mangal.
Mission Mangalyaan, right?
Yeah.
They gave that as an example for green.
Okay.
Now, what is green exactly, right? Green are people who want to solve problems, right? They want to solve something, right? It doesn't have to be like it's again very close to orange in terms of ambition, but it's not ambition in terms of freedom.
Okay.
It's like they are taskmasters. They're very calculated, very data driven.
Analytical.
They're very analytical, right? They want to solve
It's
something
curiosity.
they ask a lot of
It's
questions,
curiosity.
right? So those are green people. They always question why. Why can't it be done this way? Why can't it be done in 2 days? Why can't it be done in 1 day? Why does it have to be the way it is? They challenge the status quo in terms of certain things, right? That is
Okay.
green,
Okay.
right? So and like they're very data driven. They will not go on a whim. They're not gut driven. They're data driven.
Analytical. Yeah.
Analytical, right? Blue are sad people.
Okay.
No, blue are people who are very emotion driven,
Okay.
right? So the example I gave for blue is, have you seen Sanjay Dutt ka Munna Bhai MBBS?
Yeah. He was emotional. Yeah.
So if you see, there's a scene where the janitor is sweeping and he's very
Yeah.
angry,
Yeah,
right?
yeah.
And he goes to the janitor and he just says, "Yaar, you do such a great job." He thanks them. Right? So blue people are very emotional, right? They are emotion driven. They are emotion first,
Emotion was the approach. है.
right? So that's a very simple way of describing them. Both negative and positive doesn't matter, but they're emotion first,
Okay.
right? Gold. Gold, they give an example of Three Idiots ka the professors है ना?
वीरू शास्त्र बुद्धे.
नहीं हाँ,
Correct.
right? They are very like they have
Their own zone.
not own zone. You cannot change them. They're not malleable. They follow a principle. They stick to that principle, whatever the principle is.
Okay.
They like finance people. Like the problem with this game, with this understanding, is that
Gold,
each
huh?
person will have their own way of perceiving it. Right?
Mm.
This is my perception. Her perception can be different.
Yeah.
So there's no right or wrong way. It's the way we perceive them. Now, neither of us have studied this book to tell you the
Yeah.
right way.
Personality
But the
ka
personality, the way I perceive,
description cannot be a subjective.
it is subjective now.
Description
It is
objective.
subjective.
So see, this is what Savin has absorbed from that conversation. So he's giving what
but
he.
see, Anusha's being a blue. She thinks she is right in this case, right?
No, because there is the.
Because Anusha studied psychology and come for past 10 years now.
I have not studied psychology.
Okay. So gold, I'll give a simple example, right? Gold are people who are very in their own way. Like there's a famous dialogue, right? What's the dialogue, Anusha? Pratishtam, Parusham, like
Pratishtha, Anushasan.
that is the example they gave,
See,
right?
they are
Right? They are like, this is the way it is done. It will not change no matter what, because this is how it works. In a company, who do you think will be the most gold? In a company, who should be the most gold? Do you think in a company? Finance.
Finance, yeah.
yes.
Because
True.
finance needs to be regulated in a certain
Yeah,
manner,
yeah, yeah.
and no one should be
And
able to
yeah,
bend that rule.
anything
Very rule followers,
They
right?
are
Yeah.
good followers.
Now the rules cannot be broken, and
for any case scenario, yeah.
now these are extreme or something. If someone's 100% gold, you assume they will not let you break a rule, and they
That
will
is
want
good.
everything to be organized, structured in a certain manner. They're not flexible in any capacity, and that's the extremist of gold, right? Problem. The point is said is that no one is 100% one color. Like I am not 100% green. She's not 100% blue. We have a prominent color.
Prominent color होगा, I'm sure,
Mine
yeah.
is green. Hers is actually gold. You see the way she was correcting every single, like, no, this is not the way. That is the way. She's a gold. She's not agreeing to it. So everyone has a true color.
So my question is, what is the psychology of calling that trait a gold? Why it is trait that is called gold?
that they did not explain.
They did not
why.
explain.
They just assign colors to it. Right?
Achha.
It's a random.
Now the reason why this is important in a company,
Uh-huh.
everyone will be a certain color. For example, let's say if I am a data-driven guy, right, and Anusha is
Oh, but that position needs to be filled by that color only.
no. So it doesn't matter who's filling the position.
No.
Let's say if I'm a data-driven guy, Anusha is a gold, right?
Okay.
Even if I want to get things, I want to do this in 2 days. Anusha is like, it'll take 7 days. Now the way we interact with each other, if I know she's a gold and she knows I'm a green,
so you'll not
we will understand each other, why she acting this way, why am I acting this way. Now, my question to both of you is, based on the colors you described, which color do you think you both fall in?
अरे आपने बोला था ना हम बात कर रहे थे पहले वो जानना है
I said Ajav is green, okay, and I said Part is orange, okay.
I have a different opinion.
That is mine. You
What's your
tell.
opinion?
My opinion is that both might have different color. In the office, you might have worn a particular color. that
Yeah, true.
I
That's
don't,
what my opinion.
and I disagree with that because again the
because
larger point is,
I don't know you as a person.
Uh-huh.
I have interacted you in your office.
but you tell the color that you saw now. Doesn't matter whether it's true or not.
Let's
true.
take an assumption it's the same
Okay.
in the office and in the outside.
Just assume, na, that's the color.
For me, it's true.
It's the same.
It's exactly same. You the
The person
person.
you see in office is the person
Ah,
outside.
ah.
So, Anusha, which color do you think?
I was confused between two.
Blue and
green.
blue and green.
I was confused between blue and green.
Hmm.
Okay, and Parth?
I was confused for Parth between orange and
All of us unanimously said orange for Parth. Like Guru also said orange. I also said orange. Anusha also said orange, right? Because I feel like Parth is like Jugadu. That was the first thing that came to my mind, right?
that's true.
And I feel like he's very like he can go and strike a conversation with anyone. So for me, like Parth was that, right?
बात तो दोनों
The reason why I say green for you is because I feel you're a little bit number driven.
your
Vision first. You want to crack something. You have a like why can't it be done this way kind of mindset, right? But then blue, again blue is something I think you need to spend enough time with the person.
Yeah, of course.
Blue, right?
Yeah.
But like
What
that,
I
a
don't know.
interesting 25 minutes have been recorded.
like that, and Anusha, Anand is also blue.
No,
See,
I'm saying I don't know.
that thing is which
That
Anand
was
said, which is true,
assumption,
right? When you play a
तो फर्स्ट टाइम ट्राई कर रही है 12 या 50 वापस कर देना। तो जो हम लोग 4 पान बेस्ट सेलर में रिकमेंड करते हैं, जैसे जो फर्स्ट टाइम ट्राई करते हैं, माधुरी पान दिस द क्लासिक टेस्ट,
Okay.
बटर स्कॉच, मैंगो, ब्लूबेरी एंड फोर्थ इडियट। इन चारों में
Fourth idiot.
फोर्थ इडियट पान में फ्यूजन ऑफ 4 बेरीज का पान। 1 2 3 4 फोर्थ इडियट पान फ्यूजन ऑफ 4 बेरीज का पान है। इसके अंदर नेचुरल बेरीज का टेस्ट बहुत अच्छा है। बाकी आप अपनी चॉइस के अकॉर्डिंग जो बेरीज एंड नट्स पसंद है आप इसमें ट्राई करें तो ज़्यादा बेटर।
you just phone in which ice cream thing.
नो आइसक्रीम दिस द पान,
A pan. Sorry.
This is the ice cream one.
वॉफल पान।
Waffle pan. अरे.
ये हम लोग 2020 में डोनाल्ड ट्रम्प जी के लिए लगाए थे जब राष्ट्रपति भवन आए थे। इसमें 3 टेस्ट हैं, बटर स्कॉच, ब्लूबेरी, चॉकलेट के साथ।
डोनाल्ड ट्रम्प जी के लिए।
Okay.
उन्होंने खाया
और ये गुस्से फ्री वॉफल है।
खाया था उन्होंने ये
नीचे देखो, इससे अच्छा लगता है।
क्या डोनाल्ड ट्रम्प ने लिखाया?
खाते हुए
ऑरेंज।
कुछ भी.
ना,
कुछ भी पान भी है,
समझ में आ रहा है मैडम?
कुछ भी पान की।
Oh, कोई कुछ भी बोलेगा तो आप उसको
कुछ भी पान में बेसिकली मिक्स फ्रूट
So
विद नट्स।
smart.
कह रहे कुछ भी खिला दो, कुछ भी पान।
मिक्स फ्रूट विद नट्स के साथ है, फ्रूट एंड नट का पान है, नाम है कुछ।
नहीं आता है।
ओए यार
Seven, what do you will have now?
I'm curious about pina colada. यार.
Yeah, we'll try many na, don't worry.
Pina colada. Thinking something in chocolate, but I don't know which.
ओके,
चॉकलेट बताना मेरे को।
तो चॉकलेट में सर आप रेगुलर चॉकलेट ले लो,
ठीक है,
आपके लिए बेस्ट है।
नहीं मैं रेगुलर चॉकलेट बैंगलोर में भी खाता हूँ.
कहाँ पे?
बैंगलोर.
आप पहले यहाँ का आज कर लो।
अच्छा.
नाउ इट्स अ चैलेंज।
ये 2014 में हम लोग बराक ओबामा जी के लिए लगाए थे जब राष्ट्रपति भवन आए थे। दीज आर क्या?
कौन डाकू मामा
बराक ओबामा।
बराक ओबामा.
रेसिस देख
कोई दिक्कत नहीं है, सुनने में सर को गलत वो हुआ।
माधुरी माधुरी अच्छा है।
नमस्कार अंकल.
माधुरी पान
टेस्टी।
नमस्कार.
भैया 200 काट दीजिए, भैया 200 काट दीजिए। कि माधुरी से बेटर आप बटर स्कॉच ट्राई करें।
बटरस्कॉच नहीं पसंद।
चैलेंज नहीं, हाँ वो नहीं लगता कि कुछ नहीं है।
नहीं बोलता।
ये कुछ भी पान इसीलिए नाम रखा गया था क्योंकि पूरा रिकमेंड करने को
Water
लोग
भी
कहते थे कुछ
गाड़ी
भी
से
खिला दो।
चलो
ठीक है यार. See you.
fun guys, yeah. Okay guys, so it's how much? पार्थ क्या टाइम हो रहा है? 11:30 बजे है और पार्थ आज अपने घर नहीं जा रहा है, पार्थ मेरे साथ ही रुक रहा है। तो सो सी तो तुक्के की बात है, हम कैमरा साथ में लिया है और हमने पूरा सब कुछ रिकॉर्ड किया और इतना शानदार कॉन्वर्सेशन, मजा आ गया। एंड ये पता जरूरी क्यों होता है? Now see, the connect, the understanding, the bond that we will create this time and the understanding we will bring, ये एक चीज़ होती है जो ब्रांड्स को ना गाइस रिटेन करता है। और ट्रस्ट में मैं इसको रिटेंशन के लिए भी लेके नहीं कहता, ऐसा नहीं है कि मेरे को रिटेंशन स्ट्रैटेजी और मैं ब्रांड को डिनर पे लेके जा रहा हूँ, नहीं, इट इज जस्ट ह्यूमन कर्टसी, मेकिंग बॉन्ड्स एंड डूइंग थिंग्स विद अ गुड इंटेंशन, दैट्स ऑल, ठीक है। मतलब आई एम नॉट सेइंग कि मैं उनको डिनर पे ले गया तो जी ब्रांड कल डिकोड नहीं हुआ, दिस इज, डोंट गेट मी दिस, इट्स एक्सट्रीमली रॉन्ग, ठीक है ना। हमें तो काम करना पड़ेगा, ब्रांड को ग्रो कराना पड़ेगा, मेहनत करनी पड़ेगी। मम्मी बस अभी पहुंच रहा हूँ घर पे, 5 मिनट में फिर कॉल कर रहा हूँ,
ठीक है।
बट वो जो एक राइट इंटेंशन, बॉन्ड्स बनाना, काम बहुत बढ़िया होता है, पीपल अंडरस्टैंड ईच अदर एंड यू नो, जब हम लॉन्ग टर्म की बात कर रहे हैं, बिकॉज सी आई टेल यू, अगर हमने एक ब्रांड के साथ 2 साल 3 साल काम किया तो इट्स अ विन। व्हाई इट्स अ विन? बिकॉज ब्रांड विल आल्सो ग्रो, द कमर्शियल दैट वी आर वर्किंग विद द ब्रांड विल डेफिनेटली 110% विल आल्सो ग्रो। एंड यही एजेंसी सबसे ज्यादा गलत करती हैं कि वो नए नए क्लाइंट ढूंढ रही होती है, नया नया बिजनेस ढूंढ रही होती है और पुराने को बढ़ा ही नहीं रही होती। पुराने को सॉलिड लेके चलोगे ना गाइस, तो अगले का प्रॉब्लम आएगा ही नहीं। तो ये D2C ब्रांड के लिए भी बहुत ज़्यादा लागू करता है। न्यू कस्टमर एक्विजिशन के लिए तो सब सोच रहे हैं कि भाई नया कस्टमर कैसे बनाना है, बट भाई पुराना कस्टमर जो आप ऑलरेडी एक्वायर कर चुके हो उसको नर्चर कैसे करना है, नोबडी इज थिंकिंग अबाउट इट। एंड सबसे ज़्यादा ज़रूरी तो इवेंचुअली वही है। तो मतलब इट वाज अ वेरी अनफिल्टर्ड वीडियो गाइस एंड आई होप यू लाइक द कॉन्वर्सेशन। प्लस जो साविन ने हमें बहुत सारे इवेंट्स बताए, एक्चुअली these guys spend 30 लाख रुपीस ऑन दैट इवेंट विद दैट एजेंसी, जिन्होंने उनकी पूरे कंपनी के साथ बैठ के वो 3 दिन का इवेंट कराया। एंड क्या अल्टीमेट लर्निंग्स थी, मतलब दैट कलर साइकोलॉजी, द गेम। और लिटरली हम अमर कॉलोनी में खा भी रहे ना, हम खड़े वहाँ पे वो मोमो के स्टॉल के बारे में सब सिखा रहा है भाई कि ऐसे होता है, हाथ ऐसे पकड़ना और ऐसे पकड़ना, ये सब पता कर, ऐसे कर, हाथ पकड़ना कंफर्टेबल है, अब ये वाला अंगूठा ऊपर करो, ऐसे पकड़, नहीं हाथ खोल के ऐसे,
बेकार लग रहा है,
कैसा लग रहा है
जी, ये वाला नहीं, ऐसे
अनकंफर्टेबल से नहीं हो रहा कुछ, अजीब सा लग रहा था कैसे, है ना। ये वाला कंफर्टेबल, ये वाला
नहीं है,
कुछ है, देयर इज समथिंग वियर्ड इन दिस, आई डोंट नो है। और
हाँ कुछ है
ना, ऐसा लग रहा कि अजीब सा है। एंड गाइस जब मैंने हिट, एंड यू नो द रीजन ही टोल्ड मी वाज कि जब आप एक नए प्रोसेस को अडॉप्ट करते हो ना, टाइम लगता है, बट आप रोज सुबह ने इसको 2 मिनट ऐसे किया अगर 10 दिन तक, 12वें दिन तक लगेगा हाँ भी ये तो
नॉर्मल
है। तो द वे दैट कंपनी टॉट देम द लेंस ऑफ सेल्फ रियलाइजेशन, एक्सट्रीमली गुड। कलर साइकोलॉजी, एक्सट्रीमली गुड। ट्रीट द ब्लू कलर लाइक अ ब्लू कलर, डू नॉट ट्रीट ब्लू कलर लाइक एन ऑरेंज कलर। एंड पार्थ में कितनी बार बोलता हूँ मीटिंग में ये बात कि मैं पार्थ की वजह से डील करता हूँ, वैसे मैं आदित्य के साथ डील
नहीं कर सकता,
और जो आदित्य के साथ, क्योंकि उनको अलग चीजें सुननी है, वो अलग तरीके से ट्रीट होना चाहते हैं, तो जैसे ट्रीट होना है उसको वैसे ट्रीट करो। बट प्रॉब्लम क्या है ना, अपनी पूरी कंपनी को उसको रियलाइज कराना, स्किल चाहिए भाई। और
बहुत नेक्स्ट लेवल बिग
और
थिंग है।
हमने जितना का कॉन्वर्सेशन किया ना, वो इतना इन्वेस्टेड थे ना उस कॉन्वर्सेशन में।
हाँ 3 दिन बिल्कुल जिए हैं
हाँ,
भाई,
जिए हैं वो,
बहुत जिए हैं उस चीज
अगर मैं
को।
1 घंटे की सेशन करूंगा ना तो उसमें मजा नहीं आएगा,
बिल्कुल भी
वो
नहीं आया,
वाला
वो
ऐसे निकल
टच
जाएगा।
करके ऐसे आने वाली चीज होगी।
उनको जो 1 दिन, उसने क्या बोला, मेरे को पूरा 1 दिन कलर साइकोलॉजी पे निकाल दिया उन्होंने।
हाँ।
अब उन्होंने फिगर आउट किया तो ब्लू कलर है, वो इमोशनल डिसीजन लेगी, तो वो उसको ऐसे ही रिएक्ट भी करेंगे, दे विल थिंक फ्रॉम दैट लेंस। बट मजा आ गया भाई, मतलब अगर मैं कोई 1 दिन इवेंट कराऊंगा,
भाई ये होना चाहिए वहां, तो ये होना ही चाहिए।
क्रेजी भाई क्रेजी। अगर इसलिए बोलते हैं कि ना एक्सपीरियंस को कोई बीट नहीं कर सकता, तो बट अल्ट्रा गुड एक्सपीरियंस। एंड गाइस सी, दिस इज व्हाट एक्चुअली हैपेंस व्हेन यू लिव, you know, this lifestyle of meeting people. Now see, I could have choose to just sit in a 2-hour meeting with them and end the conversation, right? But we choose to learn from them more by connecting with them more, right? जितना लोगों से मिलोगे, जितनी बात करोगे, हर जना आपको कुछ सिखा के जाए, and this is how it's been and this is how it will be. Okay guys, so that's all for today. I like it. It was a very unfiltered conversation, और ऐसे ही हमारे सुबह 7 बजे आपके पास आते रहेंगे. Take care, have a nice day.